Thinking about starting a business in Washington, D.C.? Forming an LLC is a pretty straightforward process, and having one can protect your personal assets, offer tax benefits, and enhance your credibility. Keep watching to learn step by step how you can set up your LLC quickly and easily. We're eForms, and we break down legal, tax, and business matters into simple, actionable steps. To get the exact form you need to start creating your LLC specific to DC, click the link in the description below. First, what is an LLC? In the United States, you can classify your business in a number of ways, depending on its characteristics. An LLC, or Limited Liability Company, is a form of business with special regulations, which include shielding members from certain liabilities, which isn't possible if the business is a partnership or sole proprietorship. LLCs are also relatively simple to create and manage, and unlike types of corporations, taxes pass through the business directly to members, which prevents instances of double taxation. How do you apply, and what are the filing fees? You can form an LLC in Washington, D.C. either by mail or online through the Department of Licensing and Consumer Protection's website. Online filings are typically reviewed within 5 business days unless you opted for expedited services. Mail filings, on the other hand, may take 4 to 6 weeks to process. For domestic LLCs, the filing fee is $99, whether you file online or by paper. For foreign LLCs, the fee is $220, regardless of the filing method. Now, let's cover the steps to forming an LLC in Washington, D.C. Step 1, find a business name. Start by visiting corponline.dlcp.dc.gov. The business filing search tool can be found at the bottom of the Corp Online landing page. Enter the name you'd like to use for your LLC and click Search. If that name is available, the words "No results found" will appear above the search bar. The name must contain the words Limited Liability Company or a similar abbreviation. Step 2, select a registered agent. All LLCs in Washington, D.C. are required to designate and maintain a registered agent. The name of the agent and an address in the district where the service of process can be accepted must be made available in the company's public filings. Step 3, register the LLC. Actually, registering your LLC includes a few steps of their own, so to avoid any confusion, I'm going to cover those after Step 7. Step 4, obtain an EIN. You can do this online by visiting irs.gov or by mail or fax using Form SS4. We've included a link to download that below. Step 5, write an operating agreement. While DC law doesn't require an LLC to have an operating agreement, it's definitely a good idea to set one up. It helps outline how the business runs, defines members' rights, and can help avoid any confusion down the road. We've included a link to download one of those below. Step 6, choose a tax classification. An LLC can elect to be classified as an LLC, an S corporation, or a C corporation. And finally, Step 7, file a biennial report. In Washington, D.C., LLCs must file the BRA 25 biennial report every 2 years to stay active. The first report's due by April 1st of the first year after registration, with future reports due every second year on April 1st. For example, an LLC registered in October 2024 would file its first report by April 1st, 2025, and the next by April 1st, 2027. Now, let's cover the steps to registering your LLC. Step 1, go to corponline.dlcp.dc.gov to access the district's business registration services and create an Access DC account. Step 2, go to Register Organization and select Limited Liability Company. Step 3, enter the basic information about your business. Step 4, input the registered agent information. Step 5, complete the remaining questions as prompted. Step 6, select an expedited service option. Step 7, pay the filing fee and submit the form. If filing by paper, download either one of the articles of organization or the foreign registration statement. Pay the filing fee and mail it to the appropriate address. We've included a link to each of these in the description below. And there you go, a step-by-step guide to setting up your LLC in DC. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. For an official form to start filling out, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.